How to Fix Temu Package Stuck in Transit by Step Guide 2025. Has your Temu order been stuck on in transit for days and you're wondering if something went wrong? Don't worry, this is a very common situation. In this video, I'll explain why Temu packages get stuck in transit and exactly what you should do to fix it or get your refund. Welcome back. Today's tutorial will help you understand Temu shipping updates, delays, and the official steps you can take to resolve a stuck package without stress. First, let's understand what in transit actually means. When Temu shows in transit, it means your package has left the warehouse and is moving through shipping partners. This stage can include customs clearance, international transit, or local courier handover, which may not update daily. Now let's go step by step. First step, check the tracking details carefully. Open the Temu app, go to your orders, select the order, and tap Track Package. Look at the last update date. If it was updated within the last few days, your package is usually still moving. Second step, be patient for a few more days. Temu packages, especially international ones, can stay in transit for 5 to 10 days without updates. This is normal during customs checks or busy shipping periods. Third step, check your delivery address. Make sure your address is complete and correct in the order details. An incomplete address can delay delivery even if the package is already in your country. Fourth step, avoid tracking on random websites. Always use Temu's built-in tracking or the official courier link provided. Third-party trackers often show outdated or incorrect information. If your package has been stuck with no updates for more than 10-15 days, it's time to contact Temu support. Go to Order Details, tap Customer Support or Need Help, and choose the option related to delayed delivery. Clearly explain that your package has been stuck in transit for a long time. Temu may either extend delivery protection, issue a refund, or resend the item. Here's a pro tip. Temu often offers automatic refunds or credits if your package doesn't arrive by the guaranteed delivery date, so always check the delivery protection section in your order. To summarize, a Temu package stuck in transit is usually caused by customs delays, courier handovers, or high shipping volume. Most packages arrive with time, but if there's no update for too long, contacting Temu support is the best solution. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy shopping and app tutorials, and comment below, how long has your Temu package been stuck in transit?